Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing simple and compound interest which are very important in the world of business and banking. So let's go ahead. So first we'll start with simple interest. Now for simple interest the formula is very simple. It's SI, or the interest, is equal to P R T over 100. So let me explain this. P represents the principal amount. This is the amount that you initially placed into the bank or into a deposit that is going to gain interest. R is the rate, so it can be 8, 9, 10, the rate of interest, and T is the time. It is very crucial to understand that T must always be measured in years. So T cannot be measured in months or days or weeks. It always has to be years. So if it's over a period of 6 months, you have to write half. 4 months, you have to write 1/3. 3 months, you have to write a quarter. So that's that for the simple interest. Now, also for simple interest, the amount of interest you calculate is the amount added to the principal each year. So let's say the principal is $1,000, and when you calculate the interest, you calculate the interest to be $50. So after the first year, you'll have 1,050, and then after the second year, you'll have 1,100. And so that is how you would calculate the amount you have over a certain amount of time with the simple interest. Now let's move on to the compound interest. With the compound interest now, it's a bit different. Let's write the formula here first. So we have CI, or compound interest, is equal to P, again that's the principal, into 1 plus R over 100 this raised to the T power and then minus 1. Now, for compound interest, as we see there's an exponent in this equation, so it's a bit different from the simple interest. For compound interest, it adds interest on the interest in such a way that, let's say we have a principal of, an initial principal of $1,000, just like the last time. And let's say we calculate the interest to be, compound interest to be $50. After 1 year, we'll have 1,050. However, for compound interest, for the second year, we wouldn't have 1,100. What's happening is that this number here, 1,050, would become the new principal, and so we would calculate a new interest which will be higher than the original amount. So the amount of interest with compound interest, the amount of interest you gain on your principal increases each year. And so that is why in the world of business, compound interest is thought to be the better option, because you keep gaining more and more interest. It's not just the same amount each year. So the second year, this will go up by more than 50, and then on the third year that will go up by even more. So for total amount you'll have over a period of time, we normally write the equation for that as P into 1 plus R over 100 to the t power. And again, t is time in years. Must be in years, or else you will be getting the answer wrong. That's simple and compound interest. See you next.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.